Hello, Besame Beauties. As we step into the new year, it's the perfect time to refresh our beauty routines and ensure that our makeup collections are in top shape. I'm Gabriela Hernandez, and today I'll be sharing some essential tips to keep your makeup brushes and products in pristine condition. Let's start with our brushes. Clean brushes are crucial for flawless application and maintaining healthy skin. Aim to clean your brushes at least once a week. Use a gentle brush cleaner or a mild shampoo and make sure to rinse them thoroughly. Lay them flat to dry to keep the bristles in good shape. Now let's talk about the lifespan of your products. Makeup products don't last forever, and using expired items can cause skin irritation and breakouts. Here's a quick guide. Foundations and concealers generally 6 to 12 months. Powders, blushes, bronzers, and setting powders up to 2 years. Lipsticks and lip glosses 1 year. Mascaras and liquid eyeliners 3 to 6 months. Eyeshadows up to 2 years. If you notice any changes in texture, smell, or color, it's time to replace them. Here's a few additional tips to keep your beauty routine fresh. Declutter regularly. Go through your collection every few months to remove any products you no longer use or that have expired. Sanitize the products. Wipe down the surfaces of your compacts, palettes, and lipsticks with a sanitizing wipe to keep them germ-free. Store products properly. Keep your makeup in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight to extend the shelf life. Hydrate and nourish. Remember, a good skincare routine is the foundation of any great makeup look. Keep your skin hydrated and nourished for a radiant complexion. I hope these tips help you start the new year with a refreshed and organized beauty routine. Thank you for joining me, and as always, feel glamorous every day.